Okay, so we've looked at the arithmetic geometric mean inequality for two variables, AMGM inequality for two variables, and now what I'm going to do is consider it for three variables, x, y, and z. But as of right now, we don't know that the arithmetic geometric mean inequality holds for three variables. We've proved it for 2 and 4 and 8 and 16 and so forth, but not 3. So I'm going to prove it. Well, what do we know? We know, not a half, I'm sorry, a quarter of x plus y plus z plus anything we like, p, is greater than or equal to the fourth root of x, y, z, p. And now I'm going to ask myself, what do I have to put in there to see if I can get something sensible out of it? Well, it would need to be x, y, z to the power something, because if it was x, y, z to the power something, then it would multiply by these guys. So p equals x, y, z to the power something, call it alpha. And that would make sense for this right-hand side here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose p equals x, y, z to the 1/3, simply because we'll get 4s on the right-hand side. So that equals x, y, z. Sorry, I've closed my bracket too soon there. Let's try that again. X, y, z times the cube root of x, y, z to the 1/4. X to the 4/3, y to the 4/3, x, y, z to the 4/3, all to the power 1/4, equals x, y, z to the 1/3, equals p. So that's quite nice. We've used the arithmetic geometric mean with 4 variables. We've bunged an extra value of p in there. We've sort of thought about what it might be, and we've got this beautiful inequality now that says that 1/4 of x plus y plus z plus p is greater than or equal to p. Okay? So what does that tell me? That tells me that a quarter of x plus y plus z is greater than or equal to p minus a quarter of p equals 3/4 p. Oops, sliding around here. Let's try that again. So that tells me, just bringing down the factors there, that 1/3 x plus y plus z is greater than or equal to p, or which equals the cube root of x, y, z. And so that tells me that x plus y plus z is greater than or equal to x, y, z to the 1/3, which is the arithmetic geometric inequality for 3 variables. The reason I'm making heavy weather of this is that if I transform this ever so slightly, x plus y plus z is always greater than or equal to 3 times the cube root of x, y, z. And this turns out to be a fabulously powerful piece of arithmetic. It crops up all over the place in peculiar guises. It's a nice way of replacing a sum with a product, or a product with a sum. It's a nice link between addition and multiplication. And I'm going to stop there.